For this one, bringing everything on site was easier because we had the opportunity to carry part of the material on a dinghy. So getting everything on site was less tiring. Once on site, the process was basically the same, except that for this one we had more experience and we were more efficient basically. So we were able to complete the installation even faster than for the first one. For this weather station, getting everything on site was a bit more complex than for the other ones because we were not able to get as close as we wanted with the dinghy. So we had to carry the packages for a long way on land, and so it was a bit tiring. And that was our last weather station, so we were tired from the previous install, so we were not as efficient as for the other ones. But overall, the weather was nice, there was some sun, and it was not too windy, so this made things a bit easier, and we were able to complete the install also within one day. This was my first experience with installing weather stations. I've learned a lot. Overall, I found it quite easy to install a weather station. So the building process is quite straightforward. There is no real complex part, so I was surprised in a good way by the simplicity of the install.